Welcome to my channel Furty's Cake and Sugar Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a peony easily. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Today I'm making a royal blue color peony. It's for a wedding cake. So the theme is blue and white. So I'm making white and blue peony, and it's open peony. So I need my fondant and make it like a sausage shape so I can roll it out on my wedding board. So I place the fondant here and press a little bit so that it stick here. Now I am using the rolling pin to roll it out. So start like this and make it thin. This is a very useful board for wired flower. Without this you can make, but it's easy when you are using this board. So it's moving a little bit, it's smooth, that's why. So here you can see I want to cover this side, then it's easy for me to cut the petal. And I also want to make it thin. So for this peony I am using two of these. Let me show you the cutter. So for this one I am using this 2 size. So I need 4 of these. Let me cut them first. So I place it here. You can see here is my fondant. So I am cutting 4 of these. So I start from here, place it like this, and then so we need 4. So here is my 4 petals. Okay, so I remove this excess fondant from here. Okay. Now I am using the wire. So here is 4, and I am using this edible glue that I made at home. I have the tutorial how you can make this. So I take this one and then take one petal and use this wire. So what I am doing, push it inside like this area. Okay. Keep it aside. I am showing you another one. So I have to remove excess, and then I take one petal. So from here I push it inside. So I hold the petal like this finger and this one here. Okay. Do the other ones the same way. So I remove the excess fondant, sorry, I remove the excess glue and then do it here. And the last one, remove excess glue and then use it like this. Okay, now move this one aside and take my foam pad place them here. Okay. Now I take this big size ball tool and make them thin and give them a nice shape like this. The same way, all of them. This one. This one. Okay. Now I am using the veiner for the peony. I have this. So I place it here. And the other part, this one, pressing to get the texture. See, so I keep it aside and do the other ones same way. So here is our 4. Now I am using this small tool, ball tool, and give it this shape. Only the edges, the top part. All of them. Now I am using this mold, so to give them the shape, so I place it here to dry. Keep it aside and then start the second layer. So I use the board again and take the fondant and again place it here, make it a little bit long so it covered the whole thing. Okay, then roll again. This size we need 5. I already cut 3 of them. Now I need 2 more because we total need 5. This is the glue and then do the same way. Place it on the foam pad and then the other one. It's very easy and this glue is very effective, so it worked very nicely. Okay. So here is my 5. Put them aside. Okay, now I'm using this ball tool again. Make the nice shape and make the edges thin. So like the same way. If you don't have this cutter, you can print the template and then place the template on your fondant and cut. I will try to show you without the cutter the peony making. So now I'm using the veiner the same way. Place it here. Let me show you closely. Okay. place it here like this, make them flat, and then the other one place it here and then press this, and with that small ball tool we are doing this. Okay. So I did every petals and then keep them aside to dry like this. Okay. So it will take overnight to dry these petals, then I will make the flower. For the center I am using this, and I am using this wire, and so let's make it. So I fold it like this and then use this one, and let me use the floral tape. Little bit. Now I'm using this silver luster dust to make it silver, so I'm using this brush. Here is all the petals that I'm using for the flower, so I paint it like this. The first layer of petals, I'm using 4 of them, and for the second layer I'm using 5 of them. So I make all of them the same way, bend them. They are dry, so it's easy to make the flower. Now I'm using the floral tape. Take this size and then stretch it like this, keep it here, and then take the center, use one of this. There's 3 and then another one. And this one, the 4 of this. And then the second layer, keep it aside, take the floral tape and then take a big piece. Start wrapping them with this tape. There is one, then the second one. use one by one. That's the last one. Here is the flower. Okay. Now you can see, so let me place them nicely. Okay. So make it a little bit big. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.